Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to run Facebook ads for your Shopify store step by step so you can drive targeted traffic, increase sales, and scale your business effectively in 2026. Facebook ads are a powerful way to reach your ideal customers, but without a strategy, ad spend can quickly go to waste. So yeah, running ads smartly is key to success. Start by connecting your Shopify store to Facebook using the Facebook pixel. This allows you to track conversions, optimize campaigns, and retarget visitors who didn't purchase the first time. Make sure your pixel is firing correctly before creating any ads. Next, identify your target audience. Facebook allows precise targeting based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and custom audiences. Focus on people who are most likely to buy your products to maximize ROI. Lookalike audiences based on existing customers are also extremely effective. Now, create your ad campaign in Facebook Ads Manager. Choose a campaign objective like conversions, traffic, or catalog sales, depending on your goal. Set your daily or lifetime budget and decide on the campaign duration. Design your ad creative carefully. High-quality images or videos showcasing your products work best. Include clear, compelling copy that highlights benefits and creates urgency. Adding a strong call to action encourages users to click and purchase. After publishing your ad, monitor performance closely. Check metrics like CTR, CPC, ROAS, and conversion rate. Test different creatives, audiences, and placements to find what works best. Facebook's algorithm learns quickly, so small tweaks can lead to big results. Finally, use retargeting campaigns to reach people who visited your store but didn't convert. Offer discounts, reminders, or upsells to bring them back. This strategy often increases sales at a lower cost. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify and Facebook marketing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.